I'm back to another video. Today we have new tools at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're at the Harbor Freight website here. First item we have the Bauer 750 CFM 1/5 horsepower blower for $79. I believe this is not powered by battery, so this is a plug-in device. You guys see the power cord here on the back. It looks like it does have, if you want to connect some more blowers maybe on it, have run multiple of these. And then you have the speeds right there, I guess. It says total output 12 amps max with this unit off, 9.5 amps with the unit on. Accelerator outlet 115 volts. So I guess if you have a carpet, or if you got some wet stains, or some water or whatnot spills. So $79.99. Alright, the next one down is the 1/8 horsepower multi-use submersible utility pump. 1575 gallons per minute, so 1575. Dual flow technology, drains water from anywhere, indoors, outdoors, $79.99. That's the way it looks on the bottom. That's what you could use it for if you have a flood, maybe a basement, and there you go, maybe a pond there. Alright, the next one down is the Centec 750 amp jump starter and power supply. It says get up to 5 jump starts on a single charge with this 700 amp jump starter. Due to popular demand, this product is currently out of stock, but will be back in stock December 4th. Order now, reserve your unit, $59.99. So it looks like 750 amps jump start. Looks like a nice little, looks like a radio actually, because if you guys look at the sides here, it looks like a radio. On the back you got the nice clamps there, I guess. I guess you can charge it or connect the, what is this? Yeah, I guess you can charge it with an extension cord or connect it. 120 volts AC input. What is this, a battery? I don't think that's for batteries. I think that's for storage maybe. Got a nice handle there. You got power button, work light, reverse polarity protection, USB 2.4 amps, charge, maintain. I personally like the battery packs more than these things. It's just my preference, That's pretty much what I like. The smaller battery packs. You guys see in my videos for those if you guys follow my channel. 10, I do have a couple of those videos previous to this one. Maybe 5 videos back on my channel. So check them out if you want to look at some of those batteries. You got 10 gallon, 175 PSI ultra quiet horizontal shop auto air compressor. $199.99. It says 10 gallon max PS, 175 max PSI, 4.3 SCFM, 90 PSI. 80% required. Yeah, these are really nice compressors. Fortress makes some really nice compressors, so definitely check them out if you're into the compressor world there. You got some new tools from Hercules. So the new one is Hercules 20 volt lithium 2200 lumen cordless pivot job site LED spotlight tool, only $44.99. Looks like a really nice light, really bright, 2200 lumens. Alright, so I guess you can put it in with the battery and the charger deal, and you get $25 off. That's the way it looks with the battery. It does have like a hook here for the rafters if you're working construction. That's the back, and that's the front with the big LEDs here on the front. The rafter hook. I don't think this is a rafter hook. This is Mostly like if you have a hook somewhere, you can hang that there. $44.99. It seems to be a little pricey to me, but then again, it's Hercules. It's their top of the line. So Hercules, maybe with the coupon, then this will drop in price. 20 volts, 120 volt, 2000 lumens dual power LED work light, 2 only. It says bright LED work light provides a 27 hours runtime, unlimited use with the extension cord. So this is a really nice one because you can plug in an extension cord and still use this thing. You can flip that around. It looks like a big old handle on the back. You got the on and off. Maybe a grater or releaser, and then you can tie this, I believe, or loosen it if you want to move the light. It is capable. You can mount it on a tripod, according to this. You got a nice body there. Maybe if you want to mount it in the wall with the screw. Tripod mount. And that's what it could look like. Alright, let's go back. Enough of this. We got the Quinn. I still have to do a tool review on the Doyles. But I do have the Doyles similar to this. A little bit more higher quality. But these are really nice quality. You can even look at them right there. It says Quinn 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper. This is a self-adjusting wire stripper and cuts and crimps wire from 210 to 24 gauge wire. $19.99. So that's the way it looks. It does have some features here at the bottom. That's where you feed the wire through. You get the crimping power here on the back. The cutting. It's a multi-function device here. Alright. Next one down. So if you got a lifted truck, here you go. You got the Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch. 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise. You know what, guys? If you guys looked at my video, we do have a 25% off. Hallmaster is not included on that. Well, it's not excluded on that. So if you guys could find this or any other items except the Hercules, I believe, and the power, you guys could get a 25% off. So $99, so you get $25 off of this one, so you can get it for $75. It's a nice. I want to get one for my truck. My truck is not that lifted; it's leveled. Still, it's higher than your regular truck. So this does have some, like, it seems like 4 settings there. Either you can put it down or you can put it upwards. Just the way it could look like. Alright, next one down. We got some Road Shock 12 volts utility rock white LED lights. So these are rock lights basically. That's what people used to mount it on the bottom of their truck. Get bright white area lighting most anywhere in your vehicle. $29.99. I would definitely put this like under the door where you're stepping down if you're off-road and live out there in a ranch or something. In the middle of nowhere. You can when you open your door, have that light. See what you're stepping on, Pretty simple. It has a plus and negative. Has a mounting bracket there. Pretty simple. Same thing with this. You could probably use this in the grill or something like that. 6-inch LED spotlight, $27.99. Says light distant areas with white array LED spotlight. You can mount this in your grill, inside your grill, or around your bumper. It looks really small, so maybe run a switch to the cab and just run multiple of these. So this is the floodlight, 6-inch, $27.99. The difference between the floodlight and the spotlight, well, obviously the title says it all. This is a really narrow light. This is a flood. This is a really wide light. You got a 32-inch spot and flood combo, $129.99. We've seen these before. They're probably just new ones that they have. 42-inch, $159.99. You got a 52-inch combo, $199. Windshield removal tool. I don't know how they carry that. From Laguna, $16.99. Nice. I didn't know they handled that one. Got the 5-gallon paint bucket grid. Save time, reduce cleanup by painting directly from a 5-gallon bucket. $3.99. Alright, the next one down. We got the Hercules Chop Saw. 15 amp, 4.3 horsepower, 14-inch abrasive cutoff saw, $169.99. Let's see here. That's the way it looks like. Looks really nice, actually. So if you're into metalworking, you want something reliable, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, so check it out. Got the Bauer Hypermax lithium-ion cordless 1/4 sheet sander with dust bag tool, only $34.99. So this is battery operated. I believe it does have the tool on the back. That's what included on the. So different little features, sanding pads. Looks like the switch batteries on the back, obviously. Then you got the charger. So they got a fast charger now if you're running their tools. Hypermax lithium 3 amp rapid plus charger, $29.99. So same as the other one, but just rapid. Looks like that's it. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.